Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss exam style questions of the topic of light from O-level physics, written by Tom Duncan and Heather Kennett, published by Hodder's Education. Here we have question number 3. In a figure 3.2.51, a ray of light IO. This IO is the ray of light. Changes direction as it enters glass from air. So this is air. From air, an incident ray is entering inside the glass and it is entering in this way. So this is OR is a refracted ray, and we have to answer the following question. State the name given to this effect. This effect is the incident ray is entering into the denser medium from a lighter medium, so the refracted ray is bent toward the normal. So this is PQ is a normal, or OP or OQ is a normal. So it refracted ray is basically bent towards the normal. This is called refraction of light. Identify the normal. So this PQ or OP or OQ, this line is basically a normal. State whether the ray is bent toward or away from the normal in the glass. It bent towards because this is denser medium. In a denser medium, then refracted ray always bent toward the normal. So this is C part. State the value of the angle of the incident in air. This angle of incident is 40 degree. And state the value of the angle of refraction in glass. This is the angle of refraction, which is 90 minus 65, which is 25 degree. So the angle of refraction is 25 degree. Now the question number 4, we have figure 3.252 shows rays of light in a semicircle glass block. So explain why the ray enters the glass at A is not bent as it enters. The ray entering the glass at A is not bent as it enters because incident ray is at right angles to the glass. If we place a tangent here, and this is basically at 90 degree, entering at 90 degree, so it will not refracted, but basically it leaves the glass. Secondly, the angle of incidence. This angle of incidence, this angle for this case is more than critical angle. So this is more than critical angle, so it will reflected. Therefore, the phenomena of total internal reflections occur. So it will not refract but reflect. This is one of the reasons. B part, explain why the ray AB is reflected at B and not refracted. At this point, it is refracted. Is reflected at B. For this incident ray, it is reflected because of the incident ray is angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So this is again the same answer. The larger the angle of incidence, which is more than the critical angle, therefore the total internal reflection phenomena occurs. The ray CB, this CB is does not stop at B. Copy the diagram and sketch its appropriate path after it leaves B. So it leaves B, it is reflected. It is reflected and bent away from the normal because it is moving from denser to the lighter medium. So whenever light or ray enters into a lighter medium, it always bent away from the normal. So refraction will be occurred. The incident ray, second is the incident ray CB will be refracted at B, then enter the lighter medium away from the normal. Some partial reflection may also occur. So this is refraction, but some kind of partial reflection may also occur. Now question number 5, the light travels up through a pond of water of critical angle 49 angle. Describe what happens if the surface of the angle of incidence is 30 degree. So since it is less than a critical angle, therefore refraction will occur with some partial reflection. At 60 degree, since the critical angle 49 degree, but this is more than 49 degree, so total internal reflection will occur. Since it is greater than critical angle, therefore no refraction will occur, rather total internal reflection will occur. So this is second part. A2. Now B part, calculate the critical angle for water if n is equal to, this is refractive index 4/3. So the critical angle for water is, we have to find this. This is refracted angle and this is critical angle. This is 4/3 and this is sine. So sine C is equal to 3/4. So we take the critical angle, which is 48.6 degree. So 48.6 degree is the critical angle for water. If this incident ray is more than that, then total internal reflection will occur. In the next section, we will discuss question 6